Any mention?
Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 of the hearing list, my lord. This is connected with item number 14. Mr. P. Nongri is appearing in item number 14. These are those Cantonment matters, my lord.
Item 14.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What happened?
So there are two issues here. One is that excision of the cantonment and merging with the cantonment, that is under the active consideration of the state government. And number two is the drafting of a new building bylaws. I'm informed, in fact, this morning, that is also just underway.
It is under process. Because earlier we have submitted the billing bylaws, again they have sent it back to redraft it.
So there's a likelihood the matter will be settled. So what shall we do?
What should we have it after 6 weeks?
This, the likelihood of settlement, was it recorded earlier by this
So
court?
not settlement, my lord. We are just awaiting that in case these changes are made, there are these developments take effect, then we might be benefited from this.
We cannot record anything then. We'll have it after 4 weeks. We'll just on the consent of the parties we are adjourning.
Lordship.
Just,
Obliged, Lordship.
yes, just on the consent of the parties. List after 4 weeks. on joint prayer of the parties. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
May we please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention memo, Your Lordship.
What?
Your Lordship, we were allowed to invite order dated 17/6/2025, Your Lordship. In one criminal case, Your Lordship, criminal revision, we were allowed to implete the party as respondents, Your Lordship. Lordship was
You were allowed to file an application.
application, Your Lordship, for impletement. So, Lordship, I pray that if the matter, we are filing a mention memo for issuing of service to the parties, Your Lordship. If the mention may be allowed, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow?
Your Lordship, tomorrow I won't be in station, Your Lordship. Day after tomorrow,
Tell
Your Lordship.
somebody else. If you are not there, then that cannot be a reason for
Yes, Your Lordship.
tomorrow.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, beg to mention item number 2324, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Karmi.
No objection. The issue is pending.
Oh, so before
Yes.
division.
23, 24.
I'm appearing for
Both are same issue. This.
The issue is the same in both cases.
Okay, just say both 4 weeks for the record of the petition. 23. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 19, Your Lordship. I humbly pray, Your Lordship, kindly this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
Yes, on request made on behalf of the respondents, not objected to by the Land Council for the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes, there is only one.
Yes, Your Lordship, so respond, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, 27, and 29, Your Lordship. Lordship, the leading counsel, Mr. P. Obin, is indisposed, Your Lordship. I kindly pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
You are making a mention of
26, 27, and 29 is arising from the same judgment, Your Lordship.
Lord, I'm there in item 25.
was it heard at some length? That is the matter.
29.
Okay. Yes.
No objection in 26, Lord.
After
27, 29 he is there.
Okay. On just record this on request made on behalf of the appellant. List this matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, item number 18, Lordship, I've taken the consent of my friend. If 3 weeks' time could be given to us, Lordship.
Yes, on request made by Ms. Anji Shila, Learned Senior GA appearing for the petitioner. And not objected by Mr. Jindal, Learned Counsel appearing for the. He appeared for all the respondents.
1 and 2, my Lord.
1 and 2. Acha. And Mr. So and so and so and so appearing for so and so. Not objected by so and so. List is made after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my Lord. Much obliged, Lordship.
My Lord, there is a connected matter, that is item 17.
Yes.
So, if this is being adjourned for 3 weeks, my Lord, even item 17 may
Who
have
is the
to be.
petitioner? Item 7.
petition.
No problem.
No.
So there also you can write the same order. Just say, just change the name of the counsel as petitioner. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
The list, item number 1.
Yes.
Well, these are similar matters which your Lordship have taken on earlier occasion, whereby the service of the petitioner has been
those
reverted
district
back.
council-
Same similar matter, my lord. Only thing is that in this item 1 till
1 to 7.
7, my lord.
These are similar matters.
These
Today, how many
petitioners-
items are there?
8 items.
Total 8 items, my lord.
Okay. Then 1 to 7 are identical.
1 to 5 are identical. 6, 7 are also identical together, and 8 is slightly different, my lord.
Which way it's different?
Different, my lord. 1 to 5 they are the junior engineer. Then 6, 7 are architect.
engineer.
My lord.
Okay.
They-
Appointed?
Appointed through walk-in interview, my lord. After 1 year, they were regularized. Then subsequently by the
there was a
same-
kind of selection test.
my lord.
And then
Item 1 to 7, my lord.
they all were appointed in which way?
Appointed, regularized, and thereafter reverted back to contractual. Initially, after the walk-in interview, they were appointed as on contractual basis, my lord, with a salary of fixed salary of 20,000.
These cases,
My lord.
like this concerns which posts? Earlier we dealt with post of peon.
Beyond, my lord.
Peon.
Beyond
Enforcement
enforcement.
And then just tell us one thing, that according to them, then these are not sanctioned posts.
My lords.
That's what they said, my lord.
Anyway, just then, see, it appears that there is a huge number of employees who are
My
employed. Now, please inform us about how many sanctioned posts
Well.
exist so far as this PO and all those
Well.
things are there. How many have been continuing on regular capacity?
Well.
Whether there was any regular selection held
Your lordship.
for those people, those who are retained, also those who are attention. Please give us. One thing we understand that they may not have a right because casual, but they need to not give you a right to, you see, engage anybody way you like and then throw them out. I don't like them.
My lords, I just
So
pray
we'll,
that
please,
these matters, my
be
lords.
ready with those details.
My lords.
This court will go into all those questions.
My lord, I have filed an RTI to this effect also, my lord.
You got the reply.
One for the legislative portion I have received, my lord. So now remaining is with the executive as well as the judiciary, my lord.
Now, we would like to know, say, President, today we are concerning with junior engineer.
Your lordship.
Now, how many regular post of sanctioned post of junior engineers exist? It's like so far as this post is concerned. And how many are filled up? And by regular selection. And by saying regular selection, what is meant? Whether advertisement was used, selection process was issued or not. So those who what have with these things, probably you say like may not go into all those questions and all. But then we would like to see that an authority should not misuse this.
Your lordship.
Or you see, it should not be something like that. You engage anybody, utilize their prime, allow them to continue for 5 years, and then later when you find them it has not been done
My-
for whatever reason, you throw them out.
Your lordship.
So we'll pass. You can manage in order.
My lord, we have prepared a list, my lord, for
Yes, kindly supply
and,
to her
and the
because,
and the order, my lord.
it is for her. She is actually preparing, helping me see this thing.
My lords, I
because so
pray
many
that these
posts and all.
matters, my lord, may come up day after tomorrow along with those similar matters, my lord.
Then we'll
Order
have
has
those
to be passed, my
interim
lord.
things.
My lord, day
Then
after
we'll
tomorrow.
have it. We'll make it returnable only day after tomorrow.
My lord.
Even in the rate also, you should notice, make it day after tomorrow, returnable on such and such day. Okay? You please ready with all those things. Court
My
is going
lords.
to all.
Senior counsel will be here on day after tomorrow, my lord.
That's all right, but then we will be needing those things.
My lord.
Those information. It is for you to give him instructions. Senior
Sure,
counsel will not go and get it.
We will seek instructions, my lord.
My lord, 1 to 5 are junior engineer, my lord.
Okay?
Then 6, 7, both of them are architect, junior architect, and number 8 is Mali cum cleaner, my lord.
And all are the same.
No,
All are, I mean, like, so
ex-
far as the mode of
Except for
engagement
number,
is
number
concerned.
8.
except number 8, my lord.
Number 8, my lord, was
Number 8
appointed
is
in,
appointed
2025, my lord, January.
direct appointment as a Mali cum cleaner, my lord.
So, earlier, like this thing, you remember those orders, right? Initial casual, regularization, then discharge. And some are direct appointment, and then discharge. Just follow that pattern of things and follow this post. Any difficulty?
1 to 7, they were reverted back, my lord, to their contractual post. my
That is,
Number
that
8
is,
was
The item number 8, she have been
that is,
removed
that is,
from
you say, like, what do you say, revocation of regularization,
My-
isn't it?
my-
That is what the term used.
Your lordship.
Okay.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
But we are issuing notice in this thing, we are making him be returnable in 2 days. So it will be open for you if you want to file affidavit in these things. You can do it.
My lord.
If possible. For
I file a miscase also for stay also. My lord.
you. That is also same order will be passed, but then this will be coming up along with the
Your Lordship.
main case.
Day after
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Oh, no.
Item number 9.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Filed service affidavit.
We file only for respondent number 5, Lordship.
What happened to 6?
6 is still waiting, Lordship. We just skipped the application.
You filed only an affidavit for
Respondent number 5, Lordship.
5 has been served.
Yes, Lordship.
So what is to be done for 6? You will take fresh steps.
Lordship, we already take steps and we...
How many times you have taken steps?
Twice, Lordship.
Twice you have taken steps.
Yes.
Then there must be something still pending.
Await service report still, yes.
Now, so far as their thing, like, have you verified it from the
We give
website of the
application,
Postal
Lordship.
Authority?
Yes, Lordship.
So it is still shown pending.
No, Lordship. It's still... In the tracking, it's already delivered, Lordship.
Number 6.
Yes.
So have you obtained a certificate?
We just skip the application only, Lordship.
So then you have to obtain see, like for 5 you have, if you say 6 also is shown, delivered, then you have to file proper affidavit showing that 6 has been filed.
Okay, Lordship. Next day, Lordship. 1 week, Lordship.
Okay. Just say, Learned Counsel of the petitioner submits then affidavit showing the factum of delivery of notice upon the respondent number 6. Or respondent number 5 has been filed. However, none appears for the said respondent when the matter is called out. Stop. The office note indicates that the report of service upon respondent number 6 is still awaited. Stop. Petitioner shall verify the status of service. Petitioner shall verify the status and file an affidavit of service in respect of respondent number 6
After 1 week, Lordship.
within 1 week. Lift after 1 week. Yes.
And a pledge, Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
Yes.
It is, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, the correction has already been made, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a legal aid matter, Your Lordship, that the registry paper of the paper book, Your Lordship.
What was the mistake there? You have corrected.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have corrected all the mistake, and then LC record has also received.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So now the paper book has to be prepared
Yes,
now.
Your Lordship.
So registry. This
Just legal aid, Your Lordship.
yes. Yes. MSB Ramsage.
Yes, Your Lordship.
G. Ramsage, Learned Counsel. Well, are you legal aid counsel?
No, Your Lordship.
Then don't say. I will not record your submission. We'll just say say the office note indicates the trial court record has been received. Stop the registry to prepare the paper book list after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Hello, Lordship.
Item number 11.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we are seeking further time, Lordship. We are yet to obtain instructions.
This is what pensionary benefit or no?
Lordship, this is for promotion, my lord.
Promotion.
Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. Yes, MS Sanjay Shilla, non senior GA. Praise for and granted further 3 weeks.
3 weeks' time, Lordship.
For obtaining necessary instruction.
Lordship. Much obliged, Lordship.
12,
Yes.
Yes.
You are this side, this side. You keep on shifting from this side to
My
this side.
lord, I am for the respondents
Sir.
here.
Change of color, isn't it?
I am for. Please, kindly.
Your Lordship, in the last occasion, Your Lordship, I had served notice to the respondent department, Your Lordship, that is the Meghalaya State Pollution Board. Your Lordship, today, Your Lordship, they're making an appearance.
I'm appearing for the pollution
Oh,
board,
okay,
2, 3, and 4.
Then you will be for the. Okay. So, yes, what you will do, madam? What is your prayer now?
My prayer here is, my lordship, I'm seeking instructions because there's no,
so we'll ask for-
there's no bar against providing.
So, service is complete.
Yes.
Service
Yes.
complete, Lordship.
MS Soibang, Learned Council has entered appearance. Just say Mr. So and so, Mr. Khain appears for the respondent number 1. Then you say MS Soibang, Learned Council has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3,
2,
and 4.
3, and 4.
Today and praise for grant of some time for obtaining necessary instruction.
Yes. We'll be filing.
Prayer allowed. List after
1 week, we ready?
1 week.
1 week you'll have. List after 2 weeks. Any urgency here? No.
No, Your Lordship.
List after 2 weeks.
13,
May I please, lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, I've taken steps for respondent number 4, the account general.
Then what happened? Service
I'm not sure,
affected?
lordship. Your lordship, it was delivered, your lordship.
Yes. Nobody appears. What is that case? This case or?
Pension matters, your lordship.
And who is number 4?
It's the account general.
Accountant General.
Accountant General, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, on behalf of the state, I'm seeking 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship. We're awaiting instructions.
Okay, the office note indicates that notice issued upon restaurant number 4 has been duly effected.
Your lordship, I pray that I may be allowed to file the affidavit of service.
It's already there, received back from the ID card has been received back here in the office note says. So that means it has been served.
Yes, your lordship.
Or you want to do some,
Your lordship, the same was delivered, none has appeared. I just wanted to.
we'll say the non-appears because this is once ID card is received, that means the report has received. What you said? Has been duly. Has been duly affected. Stop. However, there is no appearance on behalf of the seat respondent when the matter is called out today. Stop. Let's say MS JD completely on it. GA appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, 3. Praise for and is granted. How much time?
3 weeks, Your
3 weeks
Lordship.
time for taking necessary instructions
Instructions.
in the matter. List accordingly.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
hearing item number 60.
Lordship, I'm praying this matter may end of the board, Lordship. I'm
How many matters we have at the end of the what is
council
matter
is
about?
online for code 3, Lordship.
This is actually this is with regard to a suit land, my lord. Suit was filed before the presiding officer, this council, my lord. The judgment.
Who filed the suit? The petitioner. They are the plaintiff.
Yeah, my lord. They are the plaintiff. I am the defendant, my lord. The suit was defeated in their favor, my lord, and thereafter I filed a first appeal. Then the judgment was reversed, my lord, in my favor. That's why they have come before your lordship. But they have filed a civil revision, my lord. I'm challenging the maintainability. It have to be a.
So how come revision
Civil
is
revision will
maintainable here?
That has been raised in allocation also, my lord.
This is a revision under rule.
This
This is a suit from which suit decided by which court?
My presiding officer, subordinate
District
council.
Council.
My lord.
So they must have invoked Rule 6.
My lord.
I'm praying that.
No, but then the rule says, why does it bar?
My lord, there will be a bar, my lord. There have to be a second appeal, my lord. This is a
Under what, Rule 3?
My lord. They'll have to come by way of a second. There'll have to be a second appeal, my lord. Because I have filed a first appeal before the appellate court.
We can understand, but then if it is under rules, normally by CPC, under CPC it is not permissible.
No.
Okay, because Section 100, they will have to come under Section 100.
My lord.
But then, under the rules, that is what.
Because there is a judgment and decree which has been passed in their favor. Against the judgment and decree, I had to file a first appeal before the appellate
I can
court.
understand, but then is there any bar for?
My lord will examine on that, my lord. That's my first conference.
It is on the question of, if it is on the question of matter.
My lord.
Okay, at the end of the board.
Board, Your Lordship, yes.
Yes. Yes, at the end of the board.
20.
Yes. Nobody for the petitioner.
Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, dismissal from service.
Dismissal from service. State and
This is regarding
OBC.
grant of OBC certificate, Your Lordship.
okay. He obtained.
No, Your Lordship, actually the state is not a party here, but we were just called upon by the court, Your Lordship, to assist in this matter because it pertains to granting of OBC certificate. So that is our only role, Your Lordship.
Why that OBC certificate was not genuine?
It was not granted, Your Lordship.
It was not granted. So he obtained job by producing a fake certificate. So what is to be done if nobody is there? None appears for the petitioner. Just say there. Just say. Just record. You are not a respondent. You have not been formed in this. Okay. Just say. Just say MS so and so is present on behalf of the respondent number so and so, and then just say MS so and so appears for the state. Do not say state respondent at all. Yes. Say. Then you say list this matter after 2 weeks. We'll have it. 2 weeks. Yes. 2 weeks.
21.
Yes.
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, learned senior counsel is on legs before courtroom number 2, Lordship.
So what is to be done?
Lordship, I seek for some accommodation in this matter.
End of the board.
There is already one item for the end of the board. So there is not first and second order like middle end or.
My lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for one.
That is what? This is a matter against discharge.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So there is no interim order.
No interim order.
No, there is no question of having interim orders. Okay, we'll have just one prayer made to Dr. Anwajika, Learned Counsel, paying for
After week, my lord. You're
petition.
paying after week, no?
Lordship, 1 week, Lordship. I pray that the matter be listed after 1 week, Lordship.
After 1 week, will be all right. After 2 weeks, not be possible.
My lord.
You have to see the roster, the board,
My lord.
because 3 days we have to sit in division bench. So listing unnecessary
Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
after 2 weeks.
Pleasure.
22.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Mr. Khera, Lordship, is currently stuck in some... Mr. Khera is unable to come, Lordship, just today.
Oh, yes.
Can he allow us 2 weeks' time, Lordship?
Yes. Yes. You are also, you are there, not there?
We're there, Lordship.
Yes. Respect for Mr. Kharkan, London Council appealing for the petitioner. Not objected to by Mr. Shankan, London. Position of senior G.
Assistant, my lord.
Assistant PP in criminal matters. And in government it's GA.
My lord.
Okay, assistant PP. And not another, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Second call, item number 16.
Yes.
May I please, your lordships? Lordships, my senior is still on legs, lordships.
Yes. So what is to be done? What is your prayer now then?
Lordships may have it day after tomorrow, lordships.
This will not be coming up next week also. It will go after 2 weeks if it is urgent.
But I'm just informing that them that I have raised the question of maintainability.
Yes.
The question of maintainability, no? They can come prepare.
Definitely, question of maintainability will be
filed under Rule 6,
that has to be. But then, come prepared with these things.
The
Show us something that we know that Rule 6 has to be. It is in parameter or non-5. Now, if you go by that, then in such a case, if appeal is maintainable, then the procedure will not be maintainable. That is also one thing. But then, anyway, we'll just see. After 2 weeks.
Lordships. Highly obliged, lordship.
Just say one prayer of Nara Council for so-and-so. Not objected by Mr. Kerry and Nara Council for the respondent. Just after 2 weeks. There's no other.